Well, there is an AI feature on Google Flights called Flight Deals, and this feature is designed so you can save some money on your next trip. Now, on the surface, this feature is actually quite simple. Normally, when you're trying to book a flight, you have to deal with some buttons, forms, and menus, but with Flight Deals, you can just vibe with AI, just tell AI where do you want to go, perhaps the seating class, the duration, the date, etc. And after that, AI will find the best deal that is available at the moment. So for some people, this is quite convenient and less intimidating than having to deal with these buttons and specifications manually. I think using plain English is a lot simpler. So let me show you how you can utilize this feature on Google Flight. First, let's open Google Flight. You can navigate to google.com/travel/flights, or you can just navigate to Google search and then find something called Google Flight. And after that, you'll see this interface. Now, there is going to be a new section down here called Flight Deals, and this is used to be exclusive to some markets, but I think this is available in most countries, I believe. And you just need to click the Explore Deals button, and you'll see the Flight Deals feature on Google Flights. So you can specify where is your location right now, because AI will find the flight deals based on your location. Now, one thing here that you need to know is that you can obviously use Flight Deals to simplify the process of finding tickets to fly somewhere. Like, you can always specify maybe where do you want to go, the date, how long you would stay in that location, etc. But you can also just vibe. Let's say you are feeling a certain way and you want to go somewhere, but you're not quite sure about where to go. Let me give you one example. So I'm feeling bored right now. I want to go somewhere warm, and I prefer something that is not expensive, and I want to have a non-stop flight. So I'm planning to have a vacation next week. So can you recommend me some options? Okay, so I'm just, vibing. I'm just describing it using plain English. Let me just click this button and just wait for AI to give me the answer. And there you go. So it is giving me some destinations that I could visit based on my current location. And when you, let's say, open it, let's try perhaps Bangkok. And you'll see some other options. So it's basically just Google Flight, regular Google Flight, but we don't have to deal with these buttons and the location, the date, etc. Everything was handled by AI. So I would imagine that this is going to be quite useful if you want to go to vacation somewhere and you're not quite sure about the location, perhaps the airport, or maybe the date, and perhaps some other details that you just want to let AI decide. I think maybe there is a merit of this feature. Now, let me give you another example. I'm going to close this. So let's say I want to travel to Florida 3 days from now. Okay, Florida, USA. Let's send a message, and there are some options. So these places are available because they do have airports, and also Google just happened to find some great deals to these places. Now, let me just specify my keyword. And I want to visit Disney World. Just send a message, and now there's going to be one option, Orlando. So that's really amazing that we can just use AI to just vibe chatting, specify where we want to go, what is our budget, etc. And after that, AI will find the best deals or the most appropriate or relevant deals that are available at the moment. So yeah, that's basically how you can utilize the Flight Deals feature on Google Flights to find some or cheapest flight to some locations on Earth. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.